British classroom format was devised in a format where you have slaves coming out for predefined jobs under the British governance. The Babu culture that is left behind that we know as of today, but unfortunately, that entire classroom model format of churning out slaves for factory supply as a unit of labor became the education format for the entire world. So people were, herded in within four walls of classrooms with predefined syllabus given to them, and an external push of keeping them within these four walls so that they are not aware of the market realities. An entire chunk of Asian population, which was an enterprising based society, a perpetually rich society, was turned into a jobber based dependent economy, poor economy, and an entire format where humans are trafficked from classrooms to companies for jobs, because you have 15 to 20 years invested within those four walls, completely out of touch with the market realities. So there's no possibility of enterprising now. And this became the education format for the entire world. Now, post de-dollarization, what is going to happen is, since the IT sector and the services sector, both of them were born out of the fiat reserve currency dollar, both of these are going to see a lot many of erstwhile glorified jobs totally vanish. And once these jobs vanish, particularly in the services sector, the immediate question is going to be, what sense does this British classroom model make? If you are going to invest 15 to 20 years and you do not have surety of even the next 5 years in terms of some economic activity. So I believe this entire decolonization that is going to happen with de-dollarization, uh, India would come back with its traditional education, skills-based Gurukul format of education, where people would be empowered for enterprising model more than seeking jobs after completing the education.
Please remember to subscribe to us and switch on the notifications for this channel. For our other social media links, more content, and to support our work, please visit citti.net. Dhanyavad. Namaskar.